Schema. In psychology and cognitive science, a schema describes a pattern of true behavior that organizes categories of information and the relationships among them. It has been found in research that schemas link to development and strengthening of cognitive structure, the basic mental processes people use to make sense of information in the brain. Children are able to act experiences and take risks, testing and out and talking about what they already know and can do. Simulation. Simulation occurs when we modify or change new information to fit into our schemas. What we already know, it keeps the new information or experience and adds to what already exists in our minds. Accommodation. Accommodation is the process of changing cognitive structure in order to accept something for the environment. Both processes are used simultaneously and alternatively throughout life. An example of simulation would be when an infant used a sucking schema that was developed by sucking on a small bottle when attempting to suck on a large bottle. An example of accommodation would be when the children needs to modify a sucking schema developed by sucking on the pacifier to one that would be successful for sucking on a bottle. Equilibrium. Cognitive equilibrium, state of balance between individuals' mental schemata or frameworks and their environment. Such balance occurs when their expectation based on prior knowledge fit the new knowledge. The Swiss psychologist Jean Piaget used the concept of equilibrium to describe one of four critical factors in cognitive development, the other being maturation, physical environment, and social interaction. Piaget convinced equilibrium as an ongoing process that refines and transforms mental structures constituting the basis of cognitive development. More equilibration tends to occur as an individual is transitioning from one major developmental stage to the next. Adaptation is a tendency or just environment. It's a process by which humans match the original experience and the new experience, and this may not fit together. According to Piaget, there are two processes at working in cognitive development: assimilation and accommodation.